Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. Let me show you quickly how you can better collaborate on the Cemantica platform via the Command Center. Here we go. We are on a Cemantica journey. So you can add comments on the phases, on the stages of the journey, but also on all the swim lanes that you have created. So let me give you an example. Here, let me go to interaction. I go to the specific interaction, the website, then I click here and I add a comment. Very easy. I'm going to tag someone. So I'm going to tag Anna here and here. Could you please review this pain point? All right, I'm sending the comment so you can see the comment here. If I click on it, then I can Anna or myself can directly communicate, or I can just simply go here to the comment center and I will see that there is a comment open for Anna. Then I can see if it's resolved and also what was assigned to me. So pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I can do exactly the same for the pain point. So I go here and I can add a comment the same way. All right. If you want to have more information about the Cemantica platform, please go on our website, cemantica.com, or you can write us to info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.